If you're seeing an Evernote error 404 or a not found message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Evernote loading properly again. This usually happens when a page link is broken, your browser cache is outdated, an extension is interfering, or the app just needs a fresh sign-in. And the good news is, most of these fixes take just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, start with the simplest thing. Check the URL. If you're trying to open a shared note, notebook, or web page in Evernote, make sure the link is typed correctly. A small typo, missing character, or an outdated saved link can trigger a 404 error right away. If you copied the link from somewhere else, paste it again carefully and try loading it in a fresh tab. Sometimes the problem is not Evernote itself, it's just a bad or expired link. Next, clear your browser cache if you're using Evernote in a web browser. Old cache data can cause the page to load incorrectly or keep trying to open an outdated version of Evernote. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and find the option to clear browsing data or cached files. Make sure Evernote-related site data is removed, then reload the page and try again. In many cases, this alone fixes the 404 issue immediately. If you're still seeing the error, try disabling browser extensions. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, script blockers, and other security tools can interfere with Evernote's pages and stop important parts of the site from loading. Turn off your extensions one by one or temporarily disable them all, then refresh Evernote. If the error disappears, you found the cause. After that, you can re-enable the other extensions and keep only the one that was causing the issue turned off for Evernote. Now let's move to the app side. If you're using the Evernote desktop or mobile app, sign out of your account completely. Sometimes the app session becomes stale or corrupted and a fresh login can restore the connection. After signing out, close the app fully, wait a few seconds, and then sign back in with the correct account. This refreshes your session and can fix the 404 error if it was being caused by a login or sync problem. If signing out and back in doesn't help, restart the Evernote app completely. Don't just minimize it. Make sure it is fully closed from your taskbar, dock, or app switcher, then reopen it. A full restart clears temporary glitches and forces the app to reload its connection from scratch. This is a very simple fix, but it often works when Evernote gets stuck on a page that should be loading normally. At this point, if you're using a browser, it's also a good idea to try a different browser or open Evernote in an incognito or private window. That can tell you whether the problem is tied to your normal browser profile, cache, or extensions. If Evernote works in a private window, then the issue is almost always related to stored browser data or an extension conflict. If none of these steps work, the problem may be with the specific note, notebook, or a shared link you're trying to access. In that case, the content may have been deleted, moved, or made unavailable by the owner. If it's a shared page, ask the person who sent it to verify the link and permissions. So to recap, check the link first, clear your browser cache, disable extensions, sign out and back in, and restart the app. Those are the fastest ways to fix an Evernote 404 error in most situations. If this video saved you time, please like this video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.